With random word choices and countless letter possibilities, you're probably thinking that Wordle is purely a game based on lucky guesses and easy word choices. Not only is there a way to make sure you get the best letter combinations to get the result every single time, but also certain tactics and strategies to put the odds in your favour. In this video, I will look at the best Wordle strategies, including start word choices, as well as how your second choice is involved, how to eliminate these choices based on greens and yellows, cheat sheets for the best words overall, and general tactics to win the game. So, here's how to win Wordle every time. First, starting words. Now you're probably thinking, why don't I just start with audio or a Jew like most people recommend? But really, there is much better methods using proven probabilities to calculate it. First, we want the first word to contain 3 vowels, as this makes the rest of the game much easier moving forward with more yellows or greens to come. 3 vowels strikes the right balance between exactly enough vowels to be able to work out which ones will be in the next word, with 2 being too little and will waste up a guess, and 4 leaving out popular consonants that are proven to show up. Now for the rarities and probabilities. The most common letters in Wordle, based on frequency of usage in the game, are E, A, R, O, T, L, I, S, and U in descending order, with E being the most common. This means we want our 3 vowels to be E, A, and O, and our 2 consonants to be from R, T, L, and S, ideally, with T and R being top runners. As a result, the mathematical best starting word to use for Wordle is orate. But how do we use this value to map our other words? Your second guess is just as important as this first, so let's make it count. Using your second guess to enter a word that has many different grey letters as possible to eliminate or confirm as many letters after 2 tries. The goal is to have a great sense of letters to work with so you can easily nail your third guess. And here's where it gets interesting. We can use a formula for the second word based on a set of options. If all of the first word is grey, you want to then use other vowels in the second along with more common consonants. For example, if orate was all grey, an ideal next word would be lucky. This knocks out all of the vowels and also targets common consonant choices. In fact, this also works for guesses with a few yellows or even greens, making orate followed by lucky a lethal choice. If no vowels come back green or yellow, you know there must be an I somewhere, making an elimination easy and simple. Using orate followed by lucky each time is almost always guaranteed to get you 2 or 3 out of 5 letters, with some even in greens. In essence, your second choice is crucial and shouldn't be using any of the letters from the first one. And if you want to know the exact list of top 15 most common letters ranked in order, you can use this list to your advantage each time as a safekeep way to maximize all of your options. Now, if you have some greens, you can either use your next guess with green in position or out or not at all, but it really depends on the position you are in. Your third guess is mainly for sorting yellows into places as well as finding out exactly where they don't go as well. So, unless you can manage to incorporate the green into your word, don't be too fussed, but instead start eliminating and refining where each yellow can be placed. However, by guess 4, it is much more advised to incorporate the green piece in your word. But the only situation where you wouldn't do this is where you have many yellows that you can rearrange to then turn into greens by this guess. And it goes without saying, but be sure to never reuse grey squares, as these are just wasted guesses. But if you do suspect something like a double letter is showing up, ensure that you try it out by guess 4 at least. At this point, you have a set of yellows and mainly green, so it's time to look out for common pairings that will be sure to get you results very soon. At the beginning of the word, the most common pairings go as follows, in the middle, like this, and at the end, be sure to look out for these combos. Memorize these common pairs so you always have an idea of what letters might work best around the ones you've already guessed correctly. And given that you are now a Wordle professional, a donation in the form of a like and subscribe is much appreciated.